Today we've been blessed with 2 jobs, one in Lutz and one in Land O'Lakes. So I'm on the way to one of them, and I'll show you guys what it looks like for me to do these roof inspections. I really enjoy doing it. So if you know anybody who needs these kinds of things, have them hit me up, share my link. I would greatly appreciate it. We got one done, and we're gonna head to the second inspection for the day. Here we go.
Watch out, bogeys 135, 15, 16. Heading 340. Okay. You're in collision now. Steering. Okay, bogey was jinked back at me again for the 5th time.
All right, well that was interesting. Getting interrupted by an osprey, and it's about time for a banana break. So we're gonna have some fruit, potassium, so we don't cramp outside in this heat. That'll be good.